Well, I am standing amongst a bevy of beautiful hanging baskets, so I must be at French Prairie Gardens, and I'm here with Stacy. This is the time of year that these things are just they're ready, aren't they?
Oh yeah, definitely. Right now is the time to get the hanging baskets.
So we get them, they're beautiful, we fall in love with them, but we want to take care of them. So go over some things that we must really pay attention to make them look this way also.
Yeah, so make sure you water. Water's the number one thing. When you're thirsty, your plants are thirsty.
Right.
So you want to make sure you keep consistent watering. So once a day, sometimes twice a day if it's really hot. And if you miss a day, make sure you really drench them, because sometimes there's no coming back from a missed water day.
And I can say that myself with certain baskets. Just one day in a 85, 90 degree really can wilt it down. So
yes,
you got to pay attention.
Yeah, oh yeah, we've had plenty of customers come back that needed to get a second one. So.
And then, you know, people talk about fertilizer a lot, but you guys love this one. Tell me about this one.
Oh yeah, Jack's Triple 20 is our favorite. These baskets are heavy feeders. They love the nutrients. So you got to remember that along with water, they need some food, and it just keeps everything looking very, very pretty all season long.
And Stacy, I think it's important to say that again, because I feel like we forget that when you're blooming this much all the time,
yes,
it takes a lot of the plant's energy to do
that. Oh
that.
yeah, it does. And we need to make sure we get all those nutrients back in the soil along with the water, because the more they bloom, the more they use up.
So as the temps are heating up now, this is a great time to buy them, and you still have a wonderful selection, right?
Oh yes, we have plenty to choose from, all different sizes.
And then Mother's Day is right around the corner. Tell me what's going on.
Oh yeah, we have our Mother's Day brunch from 9 to noon, and you can sign up online on our website. We have wonderful things out of our bakery. We have egg bakes, we have ham, we have fruit salad. There's all sorts of goodies to enjoy all morning long.
And you can even pick up a hanging basket then. So for more information on this wonderful event, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll kick you over to their website, connect up with them, make sure you get out here on Mother's Day or any day and enjoy the beauty of a hanging basket. Thank you, Stacy.
Thanks, William.